Hey guys, thanks for stopping by Ballistic Barbecue. On this video I'm going to be preparing a dish that was actually born right here in San Diego. The one, the only California Burrito. You're going to thank me for this one. Anyway, let's go out and hit the grill. Alright guys, grill is preheated. I also have my deep fryer preheated and loaded with some French fries here, enough for one burrito. So what I'm going to do right off the bat is drop the fries. Going to hit a little bit of oil on my nickel grill top here. This is just chopped sirloin. Some kosher salt. Some granulated garlic, some freshly ground pepper, get this all nice and mixed up. Fries are done. Now we're going to move on to the fun part here. Nice large tortilla. This is 4 types of Mexican cheese, including some cheddar actually. Those French fries. Add some guac here, some guacamole. Some fresh salsa, and this is tomato, jalapeno, garlic, onion, and cilantro. The original California Burrito was actually more simple than this. The guacamole and the cheese and even this crema that I'm adding now is just kind of an add-on. It's kind of morphed into that. All right. So now we're going to go ahead and fold it over. Roll once, fold the ends. There you go, guys. It's time to try this bad boy out. Well, guys, we talk about bloopers, and I just had one. I wrapped this thing up in foil, gave it a taste, and didn't have my mic plugged in. Anyway, let me give it a taste on camera here. Second bite was even better. Anyway, guys, you ever make it to San Diego, you got to go to one of the mini taco places that started this. I think Roberto's in Ocean Beach is probably the first. It's killer. Make them yourself. Until then, cheers, guys.